how to increase or decrease bass on AirPods using iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to increase or decrease bass on AirPods using iPhone. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the Settings application on your device. In Settings, scroll down and navigate to the Music option and tap on that. Now, in here, go to the Audio tab and under Audio, you will see the option for EQ. Tap on that. Now, as you can see, by default, the EQ is set to off. So, if you want to increase or decrease the bass, you will see the option for increase bass and reduce bass. So tap on increase bass option if you want to increase the bass and tap on reduce bass option if you want to reduce the bass. So this is how you can increase or decrease bass on AirPods using iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.